In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links in Glide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can place a link component in your app with confidence. First, go to Glide. Open your preferred browser and head straight to the Glide website. This is where all your projects live and where you'll make edits to your app's layout and functionality. If you're already familiar with Glide, this will feel like home base. If you're new, don't worry. Everything is clearly organized. Next, sign into your account. Use the same account you used to create or access your app projects so you land in the right workspace. Once you're signed in, Glide will bring you to your dashboard, where your recent apps and templates are listed. Take a quick moment to verify you're in the correct workspace if you have more than one, so the project you need is easy to find. Now, open the project you want to edit. Click into it from the dashboard to launch the editor. In the editor, you'll typically see your app preview on one side and all the building tools on the other. This split view makes it easy to see changes as you work. Confirm you're on the correct screen or tab of your app where you'd like the link to appear, so you can immediately spot the new component when it's added. On the left sidebar, click the Add icon in Components. The Components panel is your toolbox for building out the interface. Buttons, text, images, and more all live here. The Add icon is your gateway to placing new elements on the screen. Clicking it opens a categorized list of everything you can drop into your layout. Scroll down, then click Link. As you browse, you'll find the Link option among other interactive elements. Selecting Link places a link component into your current screen. After it appears, you'll notice configuration options in the Properties panel. Things like the label, icon, style, and where the link points. This is where you tailor the link to match your design and purpose, whether it's guiding users to a website, a document, or another destination. For best results, keep your link text clear and concise, and make sure the destination is trustworthy and relevant to your users. If your app uses themes or design standards, align the link's appearance with your existing styles so everything feels consistent and easy to navigate. That's it. Your link component is now added and ready for your finishing touches. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs.